The crane truck and tow truck are coming out of the garage. The crane truck is pushing out its arm.